This is the side table model with which is just a chest of drawers really. And again, there's lots of different elements to this to showcase different capabilities. We'll look at the drawer in a minute, which is the main one. Let's have a look at the assembly BOM though, which is really the nice one here. So with the bill of materials, even at the assembly level, we can get a lot of cut list information as well. So you can see here we've got our different components, and they're comprised of all the different elements with the different materials and so on. We've got their stock size, the stock size as well as the rough cut sizes, so you can get an idea of that, as well as the length of the different components and quantities. So it's a nice way to summarize what you need in your system. You can see if we look at the side table, I've got some finger joins in here, and I just got a view without the walls, so we can zoom in. You can see we've got dowel pins connecting the components together, as well as the finger joins. Again, nice ways of actually making sure you've got secure systems. You see we've got lap joints on the back here to join those up as well. So a lot of flexibility in the types of connections we can use to make sure we've got a really tight system. Let's take a look at the drawer. This is one where you can probably demo this live pretty quickly and easily without too much trouble. You can see I've got two finger joins on here, as well as I've got the automatic tray or back panel inserted. So let's just show you how that recessed back panel works. It's really nice. Just let me double check that one. Alright, so with the back panel, just go to miscellaneous, and we've got recessed panel. Drag and drop that in. So we're going to do an indented one. You could do it flush, but it doesn't make sense. So what we're going to do is pick the top surface. So say this one here, and then we start doing corner to corner. So pick that corner to this corner, and then the back edge. Now with these panels, it's just a matter of making sure the inset, so let's say 10 millimeters, and then the panel thickness, let's say 1/8, and then the lip, we'll say 1/8 as well. And there's our panel. If we do a section cut, you can see in there we've even got a little clearance designed around it, which you can adjust that clearance if you want as well. I also got a hole here for the door knob, which goes into the system. And if we have a quick look in wireframe unit, you'll see I've got dowel pins of, I think they're like 1/2 inch long, also joining the drawer front to the sides to give it a really nice solid build. So again, it's a lot of power and capability in here to really make excellent woodworking products. And so there's the knobs in this overall assembly. And again, they're smart mated so that they insert and snap straight to the holes.